Welcome to our regular Operation Readiness series. Today's topic is planned project maintenance. This topic covers a broad range of things from strategies, guidelines, premises, management system, tools, others. However, at the highest level, I would like to touch on two things to make you informed at the very least. First one is, have criticality and failure class been defined in compliance with asset strategy? Critical equipment or asset can be defined as extremely expensive equipment, dangerous equipment, custom-made due to difficult to detect some failure, and many more. The second one is, has spare parts policy been defined? The first point, criticality, is linked together the spare parts strategy being developed to get optimum and manageable results. A&I has helped clients in developing this strategy and at very minimum make them aware of the risk if these two items were not properly defined. Please reach out to us if you would like to know more. Thank you.